Hi friends! Today I'm going to tell you a story about the crocodile who didn't like water. Once upon a time, there was a little crocodile, and this little crocodile didn't like water. He longed to play with his brothers and sisters, but they were far too busy with swim club, and this little crocodile didn't like swim club. He's way up here in the tree while his brothers and sisters are swimming. What he really liked was climbing trees, but nobody else did. It was lonely having nobody to play with, so the little crocodile made a decision. He had saved up his money from the tooth fairy, and he knew exactly what to buy with it. The next afternoon, he took his new swim ring over to the water. Today he would play with his brothers and sisters. He bought a little swim ring that could help him float in the water. But he couldn't play ball or swim underwater, and although climbing the ladder was fun, he just didn't want to jump. But he didn't want to be alone, so he decided to try one last time. 1, 2, 2.5, 3, and he jumps, splash, glug, 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 help! This little crocodile definitely didn't like water. It was cold, it was wet, and it was embarrassing. But then something strange happened. His nose began to tickle, and the tickle grew and grew and grew until... Achoo! This little crocodile didn't like water because he wasn't a crocodile at all. What was he? He was a dragon, and this little dragon wasn't born to swim. He was born to breathe fire. He was born to fly. The end. Thanks for listening, friends. That was a fun story.